JNT gang, I told y'all we back with another video, you feel me? And today, what are we doing, man? Let them know what we doing. I know y'all see the new place. We coming along, you feel me?
Thank you.
Facts, you feel me? Show them. That's my, you know, we got sandwich, but there's some new joint that I just tried. What chicken is this? It's lemon chicken, you feel me? Y'all should go try it. But I got lemon chicken with pepper jack cheese, with lettuce, and mayonnaise on a roll. Let them know what you got. She got the same thing that she always getting. A chopped cheese with everything on it, no tomatoes. But they forgot the ketchup, so she had to put some ketchup on it. Feel me? Look at my mom do, you feel me? She got no bed, y'all. Show them your bed. What's your bed? She got a nasty sun kid. Nah, I'm flexing with that, feel me? I hear Maury in the bag. Alright, yeah, y'all. So today we got some questions, for me. I'm gonna go first. Feel me? Fix him. I'm gonna go first. I'm gonna start it. Yeah. Hold on now.
I'm gonna go first. You ready?
Alright, y'all. So, she gonna start it off with how for me. I see that.
Okay, what are your favorite things to do? Mine is eat, sleep. Eat, sleep.
Alright, mine is play basketball, make money, and be with my son. I don't know what she's talking about, y'all. You feel me? She's being a brat right now, y'all. Alright, what would it be?
Quiet to concentrate. Use your inside voice. Okay.
If I can change one thing.
Today, golfers will play
Wait, it could be anything?
Big golf ball match. The rules go like this. There are 3 holes. Players get 2 tries to hit the ball.
Alright.
When they do, they get a point.
If I can change one thing.
Did you make your first shot of the day?
I don't know, I still got this, y'all.
My answer is giving up on certain things that I shouldn't have given up.
Mine is... Yo, what's the question again?
Oh my God, if you would change something that happened, what would it be?
I'ma just say, going through it with my mom sometimes. Y'all know, everybody has cancer. My mom does that hot. I think that makes me cry. I'm complaining to that.
What's the weird habit?
What? What's the weird habit?
Your weird habit is...
Look at her. I know y'all can see him in the
What is your weird? I'm trying to think of your weird habit.
And the color is just weird.
No, I'm saying your weird habit. What I think is weird that you do. I'm trying to see.
Well, I think that's weird that you do is
You're ruining the game.
she will fart, right?
What?
She will fart and make it seem like it don't smell or her farts don't smell.
Stop it! Stop you! Alright, your weird thing that I hate is when you send people pictures of your shit. That shit is weird.
Come on now.
No, that shit is weird. Cause you lying, you trying to...
What I do?
Don't do that.
What I do?
You send people pictures of your shit.
Come on, that's what I'm eating, man.
No, that's what you
Come
do.
on, y'all. Y'all know I don't do that. Come on.
Yes, he do.
Nobody can say I ever did that.
Yes, he do. I have proof.
You don't. Stop. Let's get going. Like,
How long have we been together?
There you have it, folks. Each golfer has 1 point, and the game is tied.
How about
Let's
it?
see how well they do.
How long? How long?
actually, I'm arguing about it.
Time out. How long? I'm not playing.
How long? For 3 years. 4 years. 3 years, y'all.
We're not having this argument on. we're not
If
doing it.
y'all know, y'all know.
It's
3
not
years.
3 years. It's 2.5 years. It will make 3 years in June. Stop acting stupid. Like
What year we started dating?
2020.
But once again,
No.
the game is tied. Each player with 2
No.
points. Whoever
2022.
wins what's exciting.
Boy, stop playing with me. I'm not playing with you.
Point to tie, Hilda. Pete.
I'm not playing with you.
I don't know. This shit was like busting.
Gotcha.
It's just certain parts.
What's up?
Oh. I'm gonna say one, y'all. Come on, y'all see the pictures now.
Yo, come on.
Come on. Well, which one we was on? Oh. Alright.
5.
What? I was trying to see, gonna ask me, what pisses you off?
Everything.
What pisses you off about me?
Everything.
Should I do me, y'all?
The groundhog loves to dance. So if we keep his toes
Buy me a new girlfriend, y'all.
then we can get him
I'm not playing with you guys. That is on the fucking floor. I'm not playing with
I'm
you.
gonna smash this.
Y'all probably better get the time out. I'm not playing. Find me a new boyfriend, y'all.
Hilda crashed it. She pulverized it. She annihilated it. Which means there's no ball left to hit.
That's why I got
Nice
chicken.
and
That's why I got chicken.
Look at the camera.
and
Look at the camera.
It's all
Stop playing with me,
I
yo. Yo,
Stop,
anybody
alright,
that's
stop.
watching it, don't listen to her, y'all. Cause she gonna get y'all hurt, man. Like, y'all, like I'm really
Okay,
out
what
y'all.
pisses me off? Everything. So what pisses you off about me?
Everything about me pisses you off?
Yeah.
What?
Mm-hmm.
No real girlfriend would have said that.
No. I get mad when you take everything serious and you get mad about stupid stuff that no need for you to get mad about. You have chicken in your food. You want to like,
Into a safer neighborhood.
Well, alright, but pisses me off. Alright?
here we go.
When I say I'm being serious with her, she think I'm playing games with her. Feel me? Like, it was just one time, right?
Fancy pants, get an earful.
You know how everybody goes through problems in a relationship or whatever. You would go through it, she would say something,
And keep going.
I would be mad, and then next thing you know it, hi babe, I love you. What you doing? Like it's nothing. That's how I say she's playing games with me. I'm not a little kid. If y'all know, I'm not a little kid. I'm not that little person anymore. You feel me? But you don't let that go. You feel me?
He made something to block out the
What's the wildest thing you ever done?
So who? You or just the wildest thing period?
What's the wildest thing you ever done?
What about you?
Well, that's how I like it. Nice
What about
and
who?
quiet.
I ain't gonna lie, this thing is not bad, but it's not a lot.
The wildest thing I ever done? Have a baby.
That's the wildest thing.
Mm-hmm.
Huh?
Boy, I was not saying myself having no baby.
Well, yeah.
So what's the wildest thing
Nah,
you ever done?
he's 6 months old.
What's the wildest thing you ever done? We don't know.
I couldn't have done it without
You burnt my bread.
Next. Nah, the wildest thing I ever done. I know y'all gonna call me gay, Poppy, but I'm not the only one that do it. Like when you playing a certain sport, right?
to me. Why, you
Or you,
What,
you
slap a
cool with
nigga
the
ass?
yes, that's the only thing. And you cool with the bros, and you cool with the guys. That's the only thing. All that other stuff is out the window. I don't know what other people talking about. Feel me?
Amazing.
And yeah, that go for you, Tion, because you that last video, you
Next
was
question is, what
quick
was
to
your
tell
first
us something.
impression of me?
Huh?
What was your first impression?
What number is that?
Hey, what was your first
What that
impression?
mean?
What was your first impression of me?
What that mean?
When you first saw me, what did you think?
Oh,
I thought like, damn, this nigga annoying as hell. That ass. Damn, this nigga wanna get on my ass.
what? When you first saw me?
Yeah, on my ass.
You're a liar, not lying. When I first saw her, I was like, for one, when I first saw her, she had red hair. She didn't have this dumb ass black with a different color. I don't know. But when I first met her, she had red hair, right? No, a little cutie, a little baddie. You feel me? Now she got black hair. She thinks she the ish. You feel me? And she, y'all know, y'all know. If y'all don't, I don't know. Next question.
That's not funny.
Hi, everybody. Who want to join me on a mixed
Mari,
adventure?
Mari,
Who's gonna help me mix it up? I think
Have you ever gone a day wearing that?
What?
Have you ever gone a day without wearing underwear?
You do that every day. I don't know, but I don't know. For some reason, I would never sleep naked.
I'm talking about, did you ever go a day without wearing underwear?
What, going in public or in the crib?
Anywhere.
I've been a few places with no underwear on property.
You wear a potato with underwear?
Stop. We don't want to talk about you. You wear no underwear like it's no tomorrow.
Shut up.
See? You know what I know, y'all.
That's not funny. That's not funny.
What's up?
That's not funny.
Damn, this piece flat.
That's not funny.
Next.
That's not funny.
Alright, go.
That's not funny.
Pinto.
That's not funny.
Hey, man. Like it's no tomorrow.
thanks, pal.
What's one thing you love most about yourself? Of course you picked this weird ass question.
This one thing I love the most about
Now
myself.
time to play. It's gonna take a lot more work to get this jalopy ready
That-
for Billy Beagle's amazing
That I work hard
and he needs it today.
and I can get to the bag and then give it time I want. You feel me?
All ready by this afternoon.
Like, I'm really him. Like, people might not know, but I'm
Yo,
really
just
him.
lie.
He's really bigger than me. Like, stop it. You get that from me.
Anyways, one thing I love most about myself.
Hey, Pop. You're being the bad though. Answer the question.
Shut up.
Yeah. Take that. Give me one of that. Look, y'all.
One thing I love most about myself.
You don't know that's crazy.
Shut the time out. Time out. Time out. One thing I love most about myself.
What is it?
Being a good mother.
Oh, yeah, that's for me. Being a good father, too.
Boy, you always trying to make you always trying to change your answer similar to my answer. Get out of here.
Right.
Extra long, this one coming right up.
What's next?
The last question, so you read it. I read all of them.
Oh, no, you did that on purpose. No. No. No, real. That's how true it was.
No, I read all the questions.
No, you didn't.
Yes, I did.
You were switching.
No,
These guys.
go back to the video. I read all these questions.
No,
Read the-
comment down below,
answer
y'all.
them.
Fucking too. Comment down below, y'all. Who read them on comment?
Me. Now,
Like always
now
say,
ask it.
y'all, like, comment, subscribe. We going big, nigga. Feel me? Ron to Sean never stop. You feel me?
You trying to talk too much. Ask the question.
What's the longest time you spent making out with someone before having sex? That question wasn't up to me.
You must have been the
I told her,
son.
I don't
So
know.
maybe you're their
Oh.
dad.
What's the longest time you spent making out?
Guys,
A minute?
A minute.
Yeah, she can't laugh for nothing.
A minute.
Like she be ready to drop them drawers.
Come out.
Yo. If y'all know what Yiddies is, yeah, y'all know what Yiddies is.
Who's their papa? Where's their mama?
Beats me.
Yo, how y'all say
But Nikki, we've got to get Mr. Bigby's
That
salad
butt.
finished.
Hey, Fanny.
Oh, right.
Mm.
Well, we'll head back to the party
You don't know?
as soon
No,
as
nigga.
I know.
In
What?
the meantime, you'll keep those chicks out of trouble. Won't you, boy?
F.A. Booty cheek out.
Come on, what? Like this shit off at this point. I need a
You
video.
feel me? So yeah. Gonna finish up our food for me. Hope y'all enjoying and like this video for me. How the man do have Marvin in the back cut. Keep subscribing, we're going up, I'll never stop for me. And yeah. We're gonna keep posting and we're gonna hit y'all back with more videos. So keep tuning in, keep subscribing, keep hitting that bell notification. Tune into all our pages, you feel me? I'm about to say y'all mom.
Looks like
Hold on, y'all. Step up. Step it up. Step it up. Give him a smile. Yeah, Mari. Give him a smile. Yeah. Say hi, look. Oh, you shy now? Say hi, Mari. Hi, Mari. Hi, Mari. Say hi, Papa. Yeah, he teething, y'all. And he got a 2 coming in, y'all. Stay tuned. Yo, stop. 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 Yeah, give him a smile, y'all. But yeah, let me tell y'all, like, comment, subscribe. We're going to keep posting for y'all. And yeah, what you got to say to them?
See y'all later.
Boom.